Hey cookies, Rebecca On here. Now I hear a lot of you say that you are especially nervous about how to fight off a much bigger, stronger, more fit attacker, and you're worried that you might be too small or weak or old to really defend yourself. Well, I want to tell you and show you that you absolutely can confidently defend yourself in those situations. You have so much more power than you realize, both physically and mentally. You have so many natural skills and smarts and instincts as a woman that can help keep you safe if you know how to harness them and use them. And I want to show you how. So I'm going to be hosting an online workshop, self-defense workshop, on Wednesday, June 16th at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. Now I know, another Zoom workshop, but I promise this one is going to be super informative and interactive. I'm going to cram so much information into those 90 minutes, and I know that is a long chunk of time to commit out of your evening, but I promise it is going to be worth it and so valuable for you. So, see the description below for more details and to reserve your seat for this awesome self-defense workshop on Wednesday, June 16th. And I hopefully will see you there. We got this, right? Solidarity, sister. Yeah.